In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word crashing. If Microsoft Word keeps closing unexpectedly, freezing, or crashing as soon as you open it, one of the most common causes is a faulty add-in. Add-ins can be useful because they extend Word's features, but sometimes one of them becomes unstable and starts interfering with normal performance. The good news is that you can quickly test for this and often solve the issue in just a few minutes. The first thing you want to do is start Word in safe mode. This is important because safe mode launches Word with minimal settings and without the usual add-ins running in the background. That makes it a very useful way to check whether the crashing problem is being caused by one of those extras rather than by Word itself. To do this, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box. In that box, type WinWord /safe, then press Enter. Word should now open in safe mode. Once Word opens, pay attention to how it behaves. If it runs normally and doesn't crash in safe mode, that's a strong sign that an add-in is causing the problem. In other words, Word itself is probably fine, but something loading with it is not. If Word works in safe mode, the next step is to disable the add-ins. Open Word normally if you can, then go to File, then Options, and then select Add-ins. Near the bottom of that window, you'll see a section labeled Manage. Make sure COM add-ins is selected there and then click Go. A list of add-ins will appear. Uncheck all of them. This temporarily disables every COM add-in so you can test Word without any of them interfering. After that, restart Word. When Word opens again, check whether the crashing has stopped. If it has, then you've confirmed that one of the add-ins was the cause. Disabling all of them is a very common and effective fix, especially if the issue started suddenly after an update or after installing new software. As an extra tip, if Word becomes stable after this, you can later re-enable add-ins one at a time to figure out which specific one is causing the issue. But for now, the main goal is to get Word working reliably again. That's how to check for add-in problems and fix Microsoft Word crashing using safe mode and by disabling COM add-ins.